Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I hope your day is going well so far. Currently mostly cloudy and 53 degrees here in the valley. Today I'm going to try the Pearson's salted nut roll candy bar. My friends the Seltzers, shout out to Snowman Dan and Rachel, gave me this the last time we got together for a visit here in Wenatchee. Salted nut roll. Vanilla nougat, golden caramel, and roasted peanuts. 1.8 ounce bar. Yeah, intriguing. Ta-da. Made in the USA. Ta-da. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh, peanuts. Cheers. Clank. The company has been around since 1909, and candy bar is made in St. Paul, Minnesota. Wow, really sweet nougat, crunchy and chewy peanuts. Wow. I'm definitely picking up a hint. Oh, the nougat. That's really good. Creamy. Wow. Similar to a payday. If you never had either one before. Wow, but I feel like the payday has more caramel and this one has more nougat. But in terms of peanut coverage, I'd say they're both on par. Ooh, it's really good. Wow. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give the Pearson's original salted nut roll candy bar an 8.17. Wow, good deal. If you've tried these, please let me know what your assessment of them have been so far. Do you like these better than Payday, or have you even had these before? I'd say, ooh, that's good. This is up there with Payday. The saltiness from the peanuts. Ooh, good deal. This would be a good snack. Take with you if you're going on a road trip or if you're going hiking somewhere. Put this in your backpack, not have to worry about it being refrigerated. Payday has been around since 1932. They're currently made by the Hershey Company. Full disclosure, the Hershey Company is not a sponsor of this video, and Pearson's is not a sponsor of this video. Ooh. Oh wow. The next time I see my friends the Seltzers, I'll have to ask them where they bought this at. Wow. Fresh, tasty, and sweet. Wow, that's a perfect trail snack. Until next time, applesauce. Bye, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Ta-da.